Good morning, this is Fl from Any House Cleaning, and we just cleaned the AC retriever vent. It was dusty. I have a video of that. This house is a small house in Davenport, Florida, and they request me a deep cleaning the carpets. That means the steam cleaning. Deep cleaning in the bathrooms. I was working in the vent. Remove some soap scum. Is in no bad shape. But this is what they have this house is a lot of pet hair. In this kind of situation, we clean the house first. Then we use our clear track Amway or Workhorse upright vacuum to remove all the pet hair, and I'm gonna have a video for that. Do the kitchen, cabinets in and out, kitchen, stove, oven, and refrigerator. Deep cleaning the master bathroom. It's not in bad, horrible condition, but this tenant had 2 dogs and they shed a lot. So the problem is the pet hair that is already stick on the surface. I already put the product inside the glass. The product that I'm using to save time is the Ultimate Cow Clean by Advanced Technology. Lorena is cleaning in detail the lamps for the master bathroom. Why I'm not using a Swifter? Because I bring a Swifter. I don't know where I put it. The reason is because the pet hair is stuck into the surface. I think it's right here. So that's the reason. When the pet hair is stuck into the surface, it's better to do it by hand. First of all, to remove the pet hair, dry, and then wipe the surface with a damp microfiber cloth. So this is the condition of the carpet. It's not horrible. However, you can see some traffic area, and that's the last step that we are gonna do today. It's raining, so we have to clean first, vacuum really good, and then steam cleaning and sanitize the carpet. Cleaning blinds. Clean window inside. Some dust there. Maybe we would clean the edge, but there is a lot of pet hair. The baseboards in this house is a big issue because it has pet hair all over the tile. I told the tenant if they want to do a deep cleaning in the tile and grout, but she said that she's gonna pass, even though she really needed it. Maybe I will do a demo and her friend is gonna tell her to do it or not. We're gonna do everything that is inside, and then the windows. Because this is a sliding door, we're gonna do the front and the back, vacuum the rear, and wipe the rear. The floor is a really big issue because there has a lot of pet hair. Let me see if I can do a demo so you can notice. Sometimes the only way to show you that there is a lot of pet hair is show you with a towel paper. Do you see? So Lorena already put the oven cleaner inside the oven Today we are using cut crutter, oven and grill cleaner, foaming, that will clink on the surface. She already put the product and let it sit. It's not in horrible condition, but it's dirty. We have to pull the stove, clean the sides that you can see right here, no? And the back. The microwave inside is no horrible condition, but it's greasy. Black again, black cabinets, in and out. Okay, everything in detail, because this person wants her deposit back. Top of refrigerator, and inside the refrigerator too. So many details in this house. This is a move out for the tenant to get her deposit back. Our services are 100% warranty, so you don't have any kind of risk to hire us. Clean and polish the stove, the sink, sorry. More blind here. Is a small house. The same here. For example, do you see the dust? You cannot see. Check my cloth. The laundry, a lot of pet hair. Baseboards are in really bad shape. Move the washer and dryer, clean behind, dust everything, remove any kind of lint and pet hair. 2 bedrooms here. Stop here. 2 bedrooms here, vacuum after we clean it. This bathroom I already showed you, and another carpet area. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I'm gonna try to record and post it little by little. For this house, we charge $350 for the house. That's the beginning of move in, move out, because it's a small house, and $150 for the carpet, so $400-500 total. I'm gonna start doing my job, and I hope that Lorena helped me with the kitchen. In the meantime, I'm gonna start doing the master bathroom. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Check our website, Facebook, Google, whatever, any kind of social media. 407-572-4118, anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you for watching. Bye. Sí, mucho pelo. Mucho pelo, mucho pelo. Then she's just dusting and taking out the bed here. Then we wipe and we will clean the surface for the TV. Lorena already removed the dividers from the refrigerator. She is taking out all the dust, the grime, the dirt, and she's gonna clean it really good. You have to take out the glass and clean it carefully, because if you break it, you pay it.